You were rocking it real good anyway.
Oh. There we go.
See what the fuck going on out here.
Oh, you find a strap at this late at night?
Oh, you know, I keep these motherfuckers just in case.
Is it tight on your end?
Yeah.
What did you hook to?
We ain't gonna be able to I'm gonna have to cut that man.
Man, this is thick.
Yeah, I got the chain on mine.
You got a chain over here? Oh, you a stuck. Okay, well you got the chain. Okay. It's a bad angle, but
Yeah, it's a horrible angle. I snatched the axles out this motherfucker. Hopefully not.
man. Yeah, you probably would have been better putting it on your bumper and me driving that way, but we'll see what happens. I guess alley dock. It is. You empty, right? We'll see what happens. I guess I'll start pulling. It's just oh no. There's a horrible angle. Because I'm not facing that way.
Yeah, like right here. Yeah, this is probably close to the front. Yeah, maybe that's right. Yeah, so you want to pull it back up like right here. Give us a better angle. And then slash the guy.
Oh, yeah. Okay, yeah. Okay. Okay. Like shenanigans with Justin. What the hell that he got himself into? What is he doing? Huh?
Like that, or you want to leave it over some more?
Let me see. That's a lot better though. You just gotta, hook it up like that, yeah.
Let's see, bro. Hey.
You just gotta make sure you alley dock. Man, what the hell did you run over?
I didn't run over this.
What the hell is all that?
Oh, I had to put all that shit down there to try to get that.
Man, is that styrofoam? What the hell? Oh, you done fucked it up.
Don't knock the house away. We're trying to get it out the muscle.
You ain't getting it off the muscle this deep. God damn, you finna get it off the motherfucking record in a minute. All right, so you got the alley dock so that your trailer turn and follow mine. It should work as long as this don't break. You gotta put it in reverse.
Hey, you gonna have to call me real quick out there.
Yeah. All right.
I've lost my wallet.
Oh, you did?
In the garbage.
In the garbage?
Well, I leaned over.
Out here?
Right there.
Okay. We'll look for it in just a second. Got think he said he got some chains.
He does?
I think that's what he said.
He said he was at first.
Right. Yeah, I thought the strap was too weak.
Apparently it
I think he got chains. Oh yeah, that strap ain't no good. This is some thick one too. Wow. He definitely turned that whole thing up in here. I could probably get my trailer, not my tractor, but my trailer, I can reach him. Hold on, let me think. Let me look at the situation. No tow hooks. That bumper come off, that ain't gonna work. Yeah, I can't get it that way. Man, this is big. Wow. Yeah. Worst case scenario, we can go get chains. But damn, man, you got the steer. You done bottomed out right here. Oh, this is deep. You burned the rubber off that tire, huh? PTO on the ground, air tank on the ground. Man. Hot holes that said fuck it. Oh wow. Damn, air tank on the ground. This.
The fucking biscuit got me for my chain last time.
I don't know about this, Justin. You got the, oh man, you in here. I mean, worst case scenario, who was that? Is that somebody we know? Oh. Yeah, them straps they gonna snap. I'm thinking this Sunday, I'm finna say, shit, where can we buy some chains? Try more than one.
You know what? I ain't got down.
Maybe he coming back.
Oh, hope you got the chain, man. Oh, you got the chain, man.
He must know us. Alright, he probably seen my white truck. It's a good time to get on TV. Cause Justin, you done fucked up. Another episode of Justin fucking up. What the hell is you doing down here, man?
Alright, yeah. Just back up a little bit.
Okay. Let me make sure I got enough space. Alright, just let me know how far back. Late night shenanigans, boy. I don't know what's going on. He done called me. He done dug himself so deep. He should have called me before. I think a subscriber or something that see us. You know, definitely needs the help because I ain't got no type of chains for that situation. Okay, he's stuck. Okay, we got the subscriber. Look like he coming back. Okay, look like we finna have some real help here in a second. Peterbilt 13, 18 speed. We need it all right now, damn it. We need it all. Where we at? Let me get my flashlight out. I know y'all coming to help now. I know y'all coming to help. I hear you coming. Come back. All right. I know you coming to help now. I know that Peterbilt ain't about to go flying past. There you go. Come on now, slow down now. There you go. Wait. Hold on. Oh, he coming in here. Oh, wait a minute. Now, we's all fucked up. I don't know what Mr. Peterbilt think about, but maybe he got something, cause this situation right here, I don't know what Justin was thinking, but good thing we both 50. I'm hoping so. I'm hoping so. I said I hope so. He turned around for us.
He did.
What was he trying to get you?
I don't know. I don't know who. I don't recognize the truck, but let's see if he gonna walk over first. He ain't got the truck. No, he could not.
Oh, he wants to go in the store.
Think he. I'm not sure. Justin gonna come up with some shit. He said he got to get out. by any means necessary.
I'll pay a motherfucking tow, man. Yeah.
How'd the lady spot you?
Huh?
How'd the lady spot you?
I guess it was 6.
Walking?
No, somebody had dropped off.
Oh, so you got dropped off right here? Probably live in the neighborhood.
Just creep up real slow. I'm finna call you. Let me grab my phone. I'm gonna call you.
Alright. Yeah, he trying to go in the store over there. I thought he was coming to help us. Come on, Mr. Peterbilt. How you gonna go in the store, man? We need help right now. Okay, I'm on the rocks. We're gonna see what we can do. It's a bad angle. It's the fact that it's really not really. It's just too much of a bad angle. I need to be in front of him. We're gonna try it anyway though. Okay, so we got the trailer moved, but the truck don't look like it. I smell rubber and all types of shit burning. Yeah, your truck ain't moving. I'm just dragging the trailer and the line finna pop out. I have no idea. That's about the only way. But oh, who was this? Was this you?
No.
Damn.
No, somebody got stuck. Hey, what me?
Man, this is wet. This ain't gonna work. It's swamp water. Oh no, it's all water. This ain't gonna work. Yeah, look that way. This all water. This ain't you. Yeah, you just gonna get deeper right here. Yeah, I could pull the trailer right here, but my tires got to stay over here. We both gonna be fucked up.
That's too muddy, right?
Yeah, it's so too thick of water.
Yep.
My trailer could fit, but my tractor, my tires can't hit it.
Right.
You gonna have to get something longer. That's what it is.
That guy over there, he works on cars right there, see?
He probably ain't closed, yeah.
So what? He lives there.
Oh, he lives there.
Well, maybe right. Oh no, maybe he lives in a trailer. Huh? The police department's right over there.
What's that the police say? Think they got changed?
Yeah, they should.
Hold on, man. I didn't even change. No, we talking about orange. That's what we talking about.
What do you see?
Let's try one more time.
Okay. Well, I'm saying the trailer gonna twist, but the truck is what's not moving. That's because of your angle. It's gotta be from the front, and it's gotta like okay. Like I can bag it back, but see the trailer I can get back up, but you ain't got no strap long enough, and then I don't know like you ain't got nowhere to pull from the front.
No, I got hooks. I got the tow hooks for the front.
But I'm saying you got them to reach from.
Well, I do got some hooks. Where's the light? I need the light.
I think you get a ticket for being over here.
No, the trucks park over here all the time. See?
Yeah, I seen them over here before. Yeah.
Right over there.
Let me see. Oh, this is our swap right here. This our swap. The tires can't go through here. All right, just this all swamp. It ain't gonna work from the front. It ain't gonna work from the front. This is all swamp. I said it ain't gonna work from the front. It's all swamp. What about that way? I mean it'll work from the front, but you gotta have something super long at this point. Cause see a regular truck. Get it? Is it wet over there? But see, I had to put my whole truck and trailer. It's too, yeah. This is horrible. I see your front tire ain't turning either. But see, if you want to hook that, well, you still got some slack to go.
Yeah, I can take it off the button.
Yeah, if you take it off, though, the brakes might not work.
No, I'm sorry. I can take it off from up there. Drop it down a little bit. Yeah, it looks like we just pulling. There we go.
Yeah, I mean, I gotta turn right to turn out, but. And see, when you hit the gas, the tire just spin or what? Wait a minute, let me get out the tire way. See what's going on. Alright, hold on. Alright. Alright, hold on. Ah, there, here you go. Hold on. Nah. You gotta do that when I'm pulling. Oh yeah, hold on. So what you gonna do? Once you gonna straight line back, cause you gotta get your steer tire out of this hump. Then you gonna cut it to go back out. All right, guys. This is Plan D. Plan D from the front. Got my trailer, kept the truck down there on the pavement just enough for me to get some pulling power, but I think the strap too weak. That's a long strap, but oh, Migo pulled over. Migo! Is that Migo? Migo ain't got nothing. That ain't no damn Migo. He better hope it's Migo. Oh shit! See, Louisiana swap lane. Is that Migo? Oh, he want directions. Oh, Migo.
Yeah, right? Yeah. Oh, okay.
Fucked up there. Look like an earthquake right there. Y'all lucky I got my own authority. How weak is this motherfucking strap? Who came up with this shit? Look at all this motherfucking slack in this bullshit. Okay, at least he got a tight hook going. Look at this shit. Look at this. Got the trailer angled that way now. One tow hook. There's a lot of slack in it, but come on. Alright, get on the phone now. Alright. My tires ain't dug in. I'm still on the pavement. 12.8 Mercedes-Benz. What y'all think? So you gotta keep the truck tires on the pavement right in here. So when we get to digging, see this all rock right here. It's all rock. We're gonna aim down for that street right there.
Oh, we ain't find that nothing. We finna go to the police.
Okay.
We finna do some law-abiding citizen shit.
What plan is this? We went through A through D. What we at E now? E or F? Walk into the police station. Oh, right idea, huh?
Hey, and look, this only happened.
Come explain to us.
Because I ain't got the motherfucking chains. I helped somebody else get out. What was that? When did I help that motherfucking Mexican get out?
I wasn't with
A
you.
week and a half ago?
Was I with you?
Yeah, remember we was over there on the
We helped the Mexican get out?
yeah, on that at the Loggy Bayou.
I had left. Yeah, that's why.
Yeah, Mexican took my chain. I help a nigga take my chain. Now I'm fucked up.
Was it long enough though?
Yeah.
It's supposed to say something for real, right?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Man, if only I would've.
Well, the good news is, did you cancel the load?
No. I'm gonna get the fuck out of here somehow, some way.
Yeah.
And if I can't, well then shit, I cancel.
I mean, worst case scenario, you only gotta wait till like 6 a.m.
Hey, is that the police right
Yeah.
there? Hey, motherfucker, police, hey!
Yeah.
Nigga said, fuck you, nigga!
Did he see us?
You seen the hesitation?
I don't see no police station though. Yeah, they going that way, but where's the station? There ain't no ATM right here. There ain't no station. What the hell she talking about? We gotta walk into this town. Did you Google the town? It's still Louisiana, right?
Yeah, we got a 3-minute walk.
3 minutes? Damn, that's a long walk.
We gotta cut a lot somehow.
Let me turn this flashlight off. You can't tell if it's the police or not.
This is where you supposed to be. So this is Shell right here.
You bet I'm staying right here until a cop come.
Right there, right?
Who was that?
This is it.
Nope. Yeah.
Yeah, so
But that look like a dog ass road.
it's not a police station right there.
Let me see this shit. What you talking about? Where are we at? No, it's over there.
Yeah.
Hold on, hit the arrow so you this arrow.
Well, nigga, I ain't never had to walk, so I don't know.
So we facing that way, right?
Oh yeah. So we need to go that way and look it out. Hey.
Left wait, who was that? Oh, you left your headlights on. There's some ghetto shit right here. Who doing this? He tell you to go back home for some chains? Huh?
He keep telling me to go left.
You say go left? Or you think we just stand right here until they come around the corner? What? Sounds like a good idea. I just don't know about seeing about these chains in the police station.
Got everything else.
Private property. I don't know about all this. Oh, it's the wrong way. So it is to the left. How far down? Wait, is that the cops? I think that's the cops. Right there. Yeah, that's the cops.
Well, they walk through the field then.
Wait, he parked. Is he turning around?
No, that's the station right there.
Wait, is he going? Don't just J-Walk there. Hold on. You sure it's a station? He got some fun stuff going on you don't know about. You can't just walk up on him now. What do you mean why we can't?
Hey man, look, we just need some change, man. Y'all got some change? Y'all ain't got no change.
Yeah, you do the talking. This is Louisiana swampland. Somebody got stuck right here. Okay. Some chains. Okay, we're gonna, all right. We're gonna let him. Oh, no, he did not just start screaming from over here. Oh, no. Oh, if this ain't the most. Oh, he done said something to us. No chains? Fair. You say you'll be calling you a record. Oh, hey. Hurry up before he do some investigation. I got an undercover right there.
Dang.
Yeah, man. Good thing you didn't walk up on him.
Oh yeah, cause he was not with that bullshit.
He was not with. Yeah, you better talk to him from a distance.
I know what you niggas do over here. Kill you niggas. What you niggas talking about?
God damn. Oh, what happened, 12? What happened, 12? We got two walking niggas. No, the guy, get the hell where they ain't got no motherfucking chain. What do you need a chain for when they call records for niggas? The hell we have a chain for?
Man, how far?
They was gonna cost about 400. That's about average price.
What?
Yeah, 400. Well, 4S. Uh-oh.
Yeah, so, but you got some change?
Oh.
Hey!
Nah.
Like everybody down. Man, I need
Yeah, I don't know, cause you stuck so deep, man. He might have to pull a crane. You can call that stuff. They might do it for free.
shit if they close.
If they 24 hours. Now, I know y'all see Justin over here late night getting stuck in the grass now. He was just at the restaurant and now all of a sudden, see what happens, see kids, this is why you don't drink. See what happens when you drink, say no to alcohol because shit like this could happen. He's gonna try a record. I told him wait till 6 a.m. Lowe's, Home Depot, we get changed at 6 in the morning. It's already 1 a.m. What'd you see? I think he found the record. Worth calling. How far? Is it far?
Call him, man.
Yeah, just be like, oh.
Your call did not go through. Please try your call
Oh, that don't sound too good.
058T. Your call did not go through.
Man, I ain't heard the operator in a long time. Oh, I got the cops right there. Keep walking. See, now they finna come investigate for you. Is he coming this way?
Yeah, he don't want no 18 wheels.
Oh, okay. So he coming to investigate.
Albert Towing. I'm gonna call you home.
Oh, matter of fact, officer, if you call a regular towing company, it's not 18-wheeler.
Thank you for calling 24/7 Roadside. This call is being recorded.
Like medium duty, like for a car.
Please disconnect.
So he making a phone call. Look at the flat top, man. Looking oh so sexy all lit up at night. So I don't know what happened. Get a phone call. See what's going on. Justin said he's stuck deep in the mud out here. I come down here, he didn't buried it. He definitely got it buried. Oh, they said they don't do no pulling. Yeah, they don't do no pulling. I'm gonna give y'all an update later. I'm gonna get on up off here. My phone finna die. Wait a minute, Justin. Uh-oh, who's that? Is that a record? Oh, no, it's not. Huh? What'd you see?
Got one more pull.
One more pull?
Yeah, I ain't know I had some motherfucking straps. I got like 4 of them bitches. I ain't even know.
Oh, you got some more straps?
We gotta get it better.
Where you find some straps at? Oh, well, he said he got some more straps. Okay, well. I guess this must be the one for God, then. All right. Let's try. Okay, nice and tight now. Okay, here comes the miracle pool. All right. All this old 1981 equipment. Can the Mercedes do it or what? Can the Mercedes pull the latest greatest shoe shine? Uh-oh. I hear something powerful coming through. What happened? What's so funny? God damn, just I don't know what the hell you can't go out on tonight. Oh shit. What the fuck is this? Boy, if you would have been at that bar, Blair would have came through here. Fine. Blair would have seen this. Blair would have been like, Justin, what the hell? I mean, look at this. Oh, he really got the truck, man. Look at this. He got the brake chambers sitting on the ground. The frame, the whole frame was just on the. Look at it, the air tank on the ground. Let me examine the situation. Fuel tank on the ground. Man, he definitely did that. We got action. We gonna see. Ooh, man. Yeah, that's in there, Jack. That's in there. Oh, yeah. Look at that. Blower on the ground. PTO on the ground. Ooh, this is man, I don't know about that.
I ain't fuck up nothing, huh?
Man, you got the PTO on the ground. Yeah, it's on the ground. Damn, maybe an inch off the ground. Is it? It look like it's on the ground. But when you pull up though, the tire gonna lift though.
Yeah.
Man, you got that thing.
Come on, really get this shit together. Get the fuck out of here.
All right, all right. Neighbors watching. Okay. All right, where we at?
Should I use both? What's it
Yeah,
called?
you gotta use all that.
Or just use one? I'm saying, should I put the other hook on there or just use one?
Oh, no, one should be enough. Yeah, as long as they can all fit though. Yeah, that ain't gonna really matter. I mean, if you could try to, it don't hit. I mean, hurt. I guess.
How much can you back up without having no problem with your down set?
Oh yeah, you're right. Yeah, try one first. You just need more than one strap. That's all.
That was part of this. Come on, bro.
Now we was at Plan D. E was the police station. So this is F.
Where we at with the play?
This is F right here.
Is that?
Yeah, because E was the police station. That didn't work out.
Yeah, that the police done drew down on us and everything. So police done drew down on us. The motherfucking crackhead done shook us down for some money.
Oh yeah, did they see that? I don't know if they got the crackhead taking the $20 from you. Damn. I pull up to the situation. Justin got a whole crackhead out here. I'm like, what?
The motherfucker to come fuck with me.
I'm like, damn, Justin, you got somebody that helping you? Who the fuck is this? She stayed out here to help you for $20. God damn it, where's the money? All right, we got about, what is it, 4 straps? Are they all 4 of them gonna reach? We're gonna see. Now, what kind of strap? Are these towing straps or are these straps for driving?
These are flatbed straps.
Oh, okay, flatbed.
Now they definitely gonna work.
Yeah, that's a pull right there. That's enough. That should do it. If you can make it reach over there though.
That's the hook.
That's as far as you can get it.
This one go a little bit further.
Oh, ain't no way I can bag that far.
This one will go. Okay, so this is the extra long one.
Let's say maybe you can get all of them to hook to that one, I guess. Yeah, because the trailer strap didn't break over there, so maybe you can try to get them all hooked some kind of way.
All right, let's see how far you come. So we know what's
I don't know about that. I can't put the tractor. It's gonna start when I start pulling you. It's gonna start spinning downwards. Yeah, see what I'm saying? Yeah, that weight gonna sink the tire.
only action we got right here, so you can probably just come back right here. That's it.
No, I'm saying, but when I put the weight on it, that's gonna spin straight down.
We gotta make this shit work. Fuck it. Fuck it, that thing work. see if you can stretch that bitch right there. Tie it up there.
Stretch what? This?
That, yeah. That one right there.
This one? Stretch it what?
Stretch it all the way.
I tie it up here?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, hold on. All right, still working on plan E now. So y'all can see we got them straps nice and tight. He done found the extra straps, flatbed straps. He said he gonna get it. He said he gonna get it, man. In record truck, they charge an arm, a leg, and they need the title. They need everything.
They
They want the title too. They need the arm, the leg, and the title to the truck. If they need, they can come pull you out of this. Now, this is some tug of war right here. So this is A side, B side. Oh yeah, that's what this remind me of. Tug of motherfucking war. 30 people on one side, 30 people on the other, damn it. I ain't never seen no shit like this before. Neighbors then came out, they looking from over there.
We finna cut this shit right off. Slide the fuck out of here. If this shit get out of here.
You gonna see.
Come jumping out with a razor.
It's a lot better than one strap. And they move the trailer, it might move the truck. You automatic or manual? Oh, that's manual? Oh, okay, that's even better. I thought automatic. All right, don't fall back now. All right, let's try it.
Hold on, let me do this.
All right, just call me when it's ready. All right. All right, y'all. 12.8 Mercedes-Benz. Cannon Pool. Latest, greatest shoe shine. Now, I'm on the pavement now. So we gonna really be able to dig and spin them tires on the pavement. As y'all can see, I'm on the rock. See all the rocks in there? I got good tread there. So we got plenty of grip. Look at that. Plenty of grip. Look at all that grip. Nothing but grip. We'll put all this grip to the use. Got the 1981 for display. Got the old flat top. So I can see, just had a bath, putting in work. Putting in work.